So, my dear friends, again Electrical Uncle Atwale is with you, as this is my compulsion to make the videos in English and Hindi both, because there are some audiences are there. They have sent me message to make it in English also. So that is what for I used to make like that. So this video is for home automation. This auto hand-free sanitizer. How to make it in a simple way without Arduino Uno programming coding. Of course, with Arduino Uno programming coding, I am going to make a video on the same subject. You can make it through that also with Arduino Uno programming and coding. The students who want to learn through Arduino Uno, they can go ahead with that. This is the simple one. Just I used a bottle, empty bottle of the kids, of this chocolate and this and that. One old sanitizer manual, I changed it to auto. So how I did it? With 4 components only. One is IR sensor, one is the tip transistor, tip 32C, and one resistance 1K, and you can say one pump, DC pump 5 volt mini pump, one pipe 8 mm size dia. So I use these things and I make for my home that, and you will watch in the coming section that on PPT I will tell you how to, what is the circuit, what components, what that, only 2-3 pages of the slide I will show you, and then I will show you the practically that how I did it. So watch the video complete, and there is one request I used to make again and again. Share it so that it should reach to the needy students, and especially who are under poverty line. It will be a great help for them. They can start some work at home. Buy empty bottles, make this auto hand sanitizer and sell it in the market. As a hobby also, for a DIY project, school project, without Arduino Uno programming coding. This one. The next will come with Arduino Uno programming and coding. So both sides, the students who wants Arduino Uno, they can choose that. And who are not, they don't know Arduino Uno programming coding, they can go with this video. Simple like electrical work, electronics, 4 components to connect. So let us move and watch, and then send your comments. And if any query you have, you can send me through comments. I am at your disposal. At this age, I am working hard to share my knowledge of my whole life so that it can be utilized. Whatever experience I have, nowadays I am sharing that. Just stopped all works. And even then I am trying for the students below poverty line, if I can provide some material to them also, free of cost, from my pocket. And who can afford, I can give them link. They can buy from anywhere. Online, they can search, they can find. So dear, let us proceed. Always aeroplanes flying over my head as near to the airport. And anyhow, this is the thumbnail, and these are the equipments we will use in this auto sanitizer. Only 4. One is resistance, not shown in here. This is at the left at the top, IR sensor. Okay. This is the small pump, 5 volt, and here comes this tip 32C transistor, IR sensor. This is the circuit diagram, just 5 volt from the mobile charger. Here is the 1K resistor, we will use it, and this diagram you will find it in my description in the form of PPT. You can download it and print it, and this I am going to design it in a perfect way. The switch, LEDs, indications, so very small PCB I will design. So let us proceed with practical. Now you see, this is the bottle waste. My grandkids, they left it. There was toffee in it, I think so. So I used it and I make it hand-free sanitizer auto. And this bottle I purchased manual sanitizer and I changed it to auto sanitizer by providing that circuit in it. This is the C transistor. I fix it at the top, resistance, and IR I put it on that groove. At the moment I have taken it out to show you some practical for that. So this works perfectly. So you can also do that. There is no such things very difficult. And one 8 mm pipe is needed for the pump. And what I did, I take a old pen, cut it the tip and make a nozzle of that. Fix it to the pipe. So everything homemade. You see, this was inside there is pump and at the bottom there is one box. In that I have put the components, PCB. And IR sensor is just above the tip on the pipe, so that when hand will go there, it will start working. So gentlemen, now let us move. I have taken a breadboard to show you how to make a DIY project at home. You can make it. And I put one speaker, but it is not working. So that if we cannot see the pump working, at least voice will be there. It is not necessary. You can remove it. In my circuit it is not there. So no need for it. So now we will see. I have fixed up all the equipments on breadboard. Make the connections with the jumper wires. And I will put my hand on the IR sensor. And let us see how this pump will start working. When the hand will come there. And this is the tip 32 transistor. IR 1 resistance, as simple as it is, and the connections for 5 volt, the supply, and there I have put a switch in between the pump so that the system will start when I will switch on. Now see, the connections are okay. There is red light indication, the supply is there. Now we need to put the switch on, and then I will bring my hand on that sensor to get it worked. So we will see the water will come in this pot. That glass, assume it as a bottle. So see, as the sensor, I just bring my hand, it starts. You see, it starts. Yeah. The voice is there in the speaker, but I think not hearable. So I put more water. See how fast it do. So when we put a nozzle, there will be sharp water, and for a moment, just remove your hand from there. This is the nozzle I made from a pen tip, old pen, ball pen. I use the tip of that. See, it starts again. Now remove the hand, put it again. So like that. When the hand will be there, it starts. When hand is not there, it stops. So momentary. The sanitizer, it will come out to your hands and just remove. It's very, very simple. So I was just sitting at home and thought the idea of making this video for some sort of without Arduino Uno. I will make with Arduino Uno. The next video will be with Arduino Uno programming and coding based. That is also very easy. Nothing is needed in that. Now you see how I fix up this IR in that bottle from here, and it was above the pipe nozzle, so that when hand will go there, that will start working. So as simple. You see, now it is fitted. Keep it there, and you will put the hand there, it will start working. Just 5 volt supply, one pump is there inside, 8 mm pipe is needed, for the pump at one corner only. And nozzle, I told you I made it with a ball pen waste. The tip of that ball pen I used as a nozzle. So everything is homemade, you can say. So try, my dear friends, for it, and make a auto sanitizer. Hand free, just touch, bring the hand and it will work. This is hand free auto sanitizer. So we will meet in the next video now. Hope you like this video, and send me your comments, share it, and wait for my next video. For this, I don't know, I used to publish so many type of videos. Our platform has so many subjects. You can choose any playlist of your interest and just go ahead with that playlist, complete. You will learn. Whatever interest you have, you can find. This is multi-tech education platform, free of cost, and below poverty line. Possibly, whatever possible, my capacity, I will provide the material also, free of cost. But I want the students to come up as a hobby, as this, that, learn. Learning is a never-ending process. Still, I am learning a lot of things, and I used to publish it through videos to the students. So, thanks, and we'll meet in the next video. And just say goodbye to you. Wish you the best.